Okay, I think no. Okay. Okay, now we go to the most important part, which is cohesion-tension theory and also transpiration pool. So this one is very important because in exam, the MPM very like to ask this question because this is very long theory. You can write a long essay. Okay. So normally in cohesion-tension theory, it is related to the transpiration pool. This theory is due to the transpiration pool. So normally we can focus on the transpiration pool first. So you see this diagram. Okay. So normally is that during the sunny day, the water molecule inside the leaf will be evaporated out from the leaf because your stomata is open. Why stomata is opening? Why? That the mechanism of opening and closing of stomata that you already learned in chapter 7. You already learned now, right? What the mechanism of opening and closing of stomata? We know that stomata is opening during the day. So when it is opening during the day, not only gases exchange is occur, but also your water molecule will be evaporated out from the blood. So when your water molecule is evaporated out, so why your water molecule is evaporated out? Because in the atmosphere during the sunny day, you know that our atmosphere is very dry, right? It's very dry, and then very hot, meaning that your atmosphere, your water potential of the atmosphere is very low, and then your plant is rich in water. So according to logic, water molecule is flow down the concentration gradient. So your water molecule inside the plant will be evaporated out from the high water potential in the leaf to the low water potential in the atmosphere. So your water is evaporated out in the form of water vapor from the leaf. Okay, so when your water is evaporated out, meaning that this space should be contain many water, because you need to know that our leaf contain many mesophyll cell, like palisade mesophyll cell that you already learned about leaf structure that you learned in SPM. Palisade mesophyll and also spongy mesophyll, and then got lower epidermis, upper epidermis, muscular tissue also occur at there. So we know that leaf, the mesophyll cells, palisade mesophyll and spongy mesophyll are highly containing chloroplast, right? The chloroplast is rich at here. So meaning that photosynthesis is occur in your leaf. And then you know that photosynthesis, the basic equation of photosynthesis, it require carbon dioxide and also water molecule. Photolysis of water. So your leaf need a lot of water to perform photosynthesis, so that your water is already loose. So they need to replace the water molecule at this space. So actually this space should be accumulate with the water molecule, but now your water is already evaporated out. So your water molecule need to be replaced. Water molecule need to be replaced at this kind of space for the photosynthesis to be efficient, can be maintained during the sunny day. So that the water molecule need to be replaced. How it replaced? It will come from the xylem vessel, the leaf xylem vessel. So that the water molecule in the leaf xylem vessel is high water potential, and then it will go to the low water potential area to replace the water molecule in the space of the mesophyll cell. So the water molecule will be diffused out from the leaf xylem vessel into the leaf, and then this one will create the pooling process, meaning that the water molecule will be pull. Dia akan tarik water banyak, kerana dia kena replace, kerana dia kena gantikan air dekat sini, kerana air sekarang dia macam pipe lah. Awak boleh ingat macam pipe. Ini pipe dia ada open pipe dia. So water molecule is akan keluar. So awak kena ambil air lagi. So how they ambil air, dia akan tarik air daripada xylem burster lah, daripada shoot punya shoot, and also until the root. So the water molecule will be dia akan tarik until into the root, until it can reach the root lah. So that is why that your transpiration pool process can be occur from the leaf and then reach until the root, so that the water molecule will be pulled from the leaf until to the leaf. And then cohesion-tension theory is about the stem. Is due to the stem. Why? Cohesion-tension theory is due to the cohesion force of water molecule. That is, you already learned in chapter 1, Sem 1. We know that water can form hydrogen bond, right? And then hydrogen bond is one type of strong bond. Although you already forget, maybe chemistry still remember. Hydrogen bond is one type of stronger bond compared to the covalent bond, right? So hydrogen bond is strong, so that they will have the cohesion force and also adhesion force inside your stem. So this is what we call about the cohesion-tension theory. Cohesion-tension theory, so that the water molecule can be lined up together. If you see, cohesion force is that the hydrogen bond can be formed between the water molecule, right? That you already learned. And then adhesion force is that the hydrogen bond can be formed from water molecule to the wall of the stem, right? Stem cell, right? Stem cell. So that meaning that the water molecule is lined up together. There will no breakdown one. Dia akan putus punya. Karena ada hydrogen bond dah ikat mereka. Dia macam tali lah. Hydrogen bond macam tali. Dia ikat semua air ni. So that the water molecule will not be break down. So that the water molecule is easily to be pulled up from the root into the leaf. So this is the basic concept about the transpiration pool. Okay, so this is the basic concept. So in examination, you come out like this. You need to explain lah all the things that I mentioned just now. Okay.